pie. You can find it as a dessert, you can find it at Thanksgiving, and you can find it in math class. Why is pi in the place where we graph equations and solve for x? Well, pi is actually used in math, and today you'll learn how and why it is used. In math, pi is spelled Pi, and it's used to represent this symbol. It is an irrational number, and it goes on forever, but you have most commonly heard of it as 3.14, or for more advanced people, 3.14159. In math, pi is used to find circumference and area of circles. You may have seen the equation pi r squared. That is the formula to find the area of a circle. Pi stands for 3.14, and r stands for the radius of the circle. There are many ways in math to use pi, like to find the volume of a cylinder or cone, and finding the circumference of a circle, but area is the most common used in school. The first calculation was done by Archie The first calculation was done by that guy, try and pronounce his name, a very great mathematician in ancient times, and he was alive during 287 to 212 BC. That guy approximated the area of a circle by using the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to find the area of two polygons. One of them was inscribed within the circle, and one of them was within which the circle has been circumscribed. The area of those gave upper and lower bounds for the area of the circle. With that guy showed that pi was between 3 and 1/7 and 3 and 1071. Pi was actually discovered back in 2000 BC with the Babylonians, but was not really calculated because at the time, pi was known to be the integer 3. But no matter when it started, another guy, I'm not going to pronounce the name because I'm afraid we'll mess up, calculated pi based on probability in the 18th century. And today, we know over 6 billion digits of pi due to computers. Pi is obviously a Greek symbol, and it was used by the Swiss mathematician and physicist named Euler. To most physicists, astronomers, professors, and even game developers, this name should ring a bell. Pi is the first letter in the Greek word perimetros, just correct me if I'm wrong, and that word stands for circumference, which is basically perimeter but for a circle. While we think of pie as a wonderful food that we eat, many mathematicians use it today in the math world, and it is being taught in schools today. Without it, the world would not be the same. Pi has helped us learn about the circles and their properties, so we should love it, but only the math kind, because the food pie sucks. Happy Pi Day!